Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered how you get into this light fitting on your car? You can see that one of the lamps is blown on mine, so I thought I'd have a look. And what I found is if I carefully tease at this edge, there are some little clips that come loose, and if I tease around the edge it comes unhooked. So those are the little clips at the edge, and then there's a little clip that goes on the back, which I think you could probably pull out first. I don't think it really matters which one. There's some on the sides as well. So that's that cover, and then when we see, let's turn that off. If you have a look up in here, we can see that there are some little bulb covers. These appear to actually slide down, though I'm not sure how. I'm going to see if I can tease one out, and I'll show you that. Obviously this one I need out, so let's see if I can. Ooh. There we go, just teasing that down. That's got a little nib on the, there we go, little nib that you have to push away from the side of the light to get it to then slide out, and I used a really small screwdriver there just to ease it down without breaking it. This is quite flimsy, so I think it would break quite easily. And then underneath there, what I'm seeing is just a pull-out lamp. Now, I'm not sure what this is. Let's have a look. 12 volt. I think these are 5 watt. I don't know if I can actually use the lamp and see if I can see. There's OS 12 volt 6 watt X. I think I've got some of these in my box, so I'm going to go and find one of these and refit it. Okay, so here's one from the shed. I'm going to pop this in up here. It should just push in. Oh. Oh, that's interesting. I say it should just push in, but the holder behind it's just pushed out through the back. Maybe I need to take the whole holder out, try and get to it. That's a pain. Right, okay, more to this than I thought. Bear with me, you'll see what it's like to get this out. Oh. There's a screw. I'm going to take my bulb out while I go. There's a screw that came out there. There we go. Let's take another one out. Oh, this is turning into an exciting job. I'll find out what's in here. There we go. Another screw. What was that? Oh. Back of the bulb holder. Okay. So what have we got here? Okay, right. It's a tracked board. So the bulb holder just clips into it, into there, and holds it in, as this one is. There's a whole sensor thing on the inside of this one, and it looks like it's got infrared receivers in it. I think that maybe this was a garage door operator thing or something like that. Anyway, I'm going to put my bulb holder back in. This looks like it's a bayonet Dujami, and the track behind it is flapping about a bit, so hopefully, there we go. I've pushed that in, and given it a twist. That's now in there. So if I put my lamp in there, like so, hopefully, yes, now they're both lit up. Happy days. Right, put it back together. Okay. Maybe it goes in the front first. Yeah, goes in mirror side first, windscreen side first, and then clip in at the back. These are Phillips screws. Okay, 1. 2. Nice to know how this comes out. If you ever want to put a microphone for a radio or something like that in. Right, I'm going to pop this little lens thing back in. There we go, that's up in there now. Okay, and last but not least, just check it still works. Yeah. I'm going to put this cover back on. Actually, just no, stuff it. It's got a new bulb now. I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm just wondering if the old one still worked. Oh, never mind. It's got a new one. Much better. Right, let's see if I can put this cover back in. Ooh, that went in nice and easy. Right, there we go. That's back in. That works. There's a door thing which says it's off at the moment. That would be... Oh. A bit dodgy, this light. I think I might have to strip it down and have another good look at it. Anyway, there you go. That's how you replace the bulbs in the internal light for a R170 SLK. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. I'll do a few more. Thanks, bye.